Hey Stampers, Kim from stampingandperfection.com. Thanks for joining me today. So I have been looking for a way to streamline the organizing of my everyday tools on my desk. I've been using these three tools to organize. I've made videos on all of them and I've been using them for years. Like that box is like a nut cracker or something. I got it at a thrift store for $1 or $2. I have been organizing all kinds of adhesives, my stapler, punches, things like that. This is a jar I got for like $1 at a dollar store. I decorated it and I keep all my scissors and bone folders and things like that. That came from Home Goods at Bowl. I didn't bother taking the stickers off it. I had that was full of adhesives and erasers and things like that. And then I had a whole bunch of things that I use all the time just sitting on my desk. So all of the tools were really taking up a lot of real estate. I was looking for a way to corral them that didn't take a lot of space. And the problem is I also had them sitting where I could reach them, but they were taking up space in front of my ink pad storage. So every time I needed one of my Catherine Pooler inks or one of my distress inks, I had to move that stuff out of the way. So I wanted one container that would hold them all that I could tuck between my ink pad holders. And here is the Totally-Tiffany die stamp supply holder. This is a desk-made product from Totally-Tiffany, and I really love this. I've been using this for about a week and a half now, and I'm so happy I purchased this. It is more than I expected. Like I was shocked how much I fit in this. Like I kept my rags out. Like I like to have those rags handy. Those didn't fit really in this. This isn't really the kind of thing for that. But I think the possibilities of this are endless. After filling this, and you can see this just slides out. And I don't know if you noticed, all that space, that's 2 feet of space. I have like this huge amount of space that is now plenty of room to do my crafting. And I have to say I'm a little worried that you know what your craft desk looks like at the end of the day. When I have half this amount of space, what's it going to look like when I have all of this space? But one of the things I like is now I've created a little nook that fits in to the back of my desk, and I can just pull it out, use all my stuff, plunk my stuff back in, and slide it back in. It's easy cleanup. One thing that I learned a long time ago from a friend is that organizing cannot be a jigsaw puzzle. If you have to like move a pile of stuff to get to something, and then when you go to put it back, you have to move that pile of stuff and put your thing back and then put the pile of stuff back, that doesn't work. It doesn't work for me. So this works for me because these are the things I reach for all the time and only the things I reach for all the time till I got to the back. I've got my distress sprayer, my stamp cleaner. I've got every kind of adhesive that I'm constantly reaching for. All my double-sided tapes, my low tack tape, my glue dots, my foam dots, all kinds of liquid glue, and my erasers and adhesive removers. And I even made room. I had so much room in this that I pulled out some glues I had on a shelf next to me that I kept forgetting I had. Or like my glossy accents. I forget to use it because it wasn't in front of me. And I had gotten a tonic toolkit that had all kinds of different adhesives, which I don't really use because they weren't in front of me. Now I have space for them. And as I use them, if I like them, I'll replace them. If I don't love them, I'll just keep what I love in there. That center section held everything that was in that cup, including the rulers, which now fit in the back. Like those are all my scissors and everything. Then I had all this other room. I put my paintbrushes. I fallen in love with watercoloring this year. My little jar of paintbrushes fits in there. My stapler, I love to use that for scrapbooking. I've got a couple hole punches. I've got these 2 clear blocks, one from Studio Katia and one from Gina K Designs, that I use for my alphabet stamps for making titles for my scrapbook pages. I had no good place for those before. Now I have a great place for those. And now I had this extra slot. I put my hand lotion and a whole bunch of cleaning stuff that I reach for a couple times a week. Now it's all there, and it just slides back. It's fabulous. I made enough room between ink pad holders to also hold my stamp scrubber. And by the way, this is 15 inches wide from one hand to the other, and it's 9 inches deep from front to back. And at the tallest point in the back, it's 5.5 inches tall. And you can see those little pieces in there and the slots. Those are movable. That whole thing is adjustable. Like, I really had a lot of fun as I was putting stuff in here, sliding those into different slots as I was, especially in the front row, putting the little stuff in. It made it so convenient to make a slot that just perfectly holds something and that I can pull out and use and plunk back in. Like, that's going to make it so easy. And I've got so many ideas for how I would like to use more of these. I wish I had purchased more because I got this on sale with free shipping. And I really, really, really wish I'd ordered 2 more because my watercoloring supplies would be awesome in there. Stencils. I have a whole list of things I'd like to use this for. So thanks for watching. Stop by my blog at stampingimperfection.com. Give this video a like and share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will put links below to the Totally-Tiffany site and to this particular organizing product. And I'm linking here some other videos that you might like. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic day.